guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a simple and very easy photo frame. So the materials required are 4 ice cream sticks, A4 sheet, pen or pencil, glue, scissors and sketch pens. So let's get started. So first you need to take the ice cream sticks and the glue and you have to arrange it like this according to your measurements, how much length and breadth you want. After that you have to glue that all. So let's glue it. So after gluing it will look like this. So now what you need to do is you have to mark the 4 sides with a pen or pencil. And now you have to connect these 4 sides. Don't worry if the lines are not perfect. Now you need to cut this. So now you have to cut it, and after cutting that you have to at the back you have to see the adjustments. Again turn it and you can see some piece right here, so you have to cut it. After cutting it, now you have to glue this paper to this part. So let's glue it. Then now you have to stick it. So now you have to do it like this. And why we are doing this paper? Because so that we can write anything or also we can stick anything. So now we have to take our sketch pens or color pencils or anything you like and we have to decorate it. So I did two. This is for my sister. So her birthday is coming very soon, so I will gift it to her. And this I wrote girls power. So these are the 2 examples, and you can also keep your photo frame like this and like this. So this was my video on the photo frame. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel guys. Bye guys, see you in my next video.